Hey folks, this is Adam from Best Health Supplement Reviews, and today we're talking about those anti-nutrients we're all trying to get out of our body, and I'm talking about lectins. If you're watching this video, you're probably researching what the best lectin blocker is out on the market today, and I've done the research for you. Remember, Best Health Supplement Reviews is here to help you answer those questions. What are the best supplements for you? I'll do all the research, pick my top 3, figure out which one gets an A+, and I'll give you the answer here in a moment of what is the best lectin blocker on the market. Now, some of my requirements, I obviously want vegan if possible, made in the USA, non-GMO, and if possible, doctor formulated. I want great ingredients, and I want something that won't break your budget to pick out the best lectin blocker on the block. So what is the best lectin blocker on the market today? Well, I'll tell you what, based on my research, this is the only one that got an A+. It's called Lectin Guard. It's by Dr. KaraMD, and it is an intestinal health supplement. So why do you need lectin blockers? Now, first off, they're essentially the proteins that are in plants, but your body can't digest them. In fact, when you take these in with all the great foods that you like, a lot of plant-based foods that you like, a lot of animal-based foods that you like, has these animal or plant-based proteins, and you know what? They're just absorbing and they're blocking nutrients from getting into your body. They're horrible on your intestinal tract. That's why a good lectin blocker is going to do great things for you. Let's take a closer look. So Dr. Kara's Lectin Guard has 6 great ingredients in the perfect dosage. I'm talking about Slippery Elm, Bladderwrack powder, okra fruit powder, sodium alginate, papaya fruit powder, and kiwi fruit powder. These are all things that do a great job of binding into those lectins and getting them out of your system to where you can digest the nutrients that you need.